Here on the O2 Garage, we love playing with cars, all shapes and sizes, and that means we normally need one of these, a car trailer. And if you're anything like me and you've been playing around with car trailers for a while, you know that they can be a bit of a hit and miss affair. Sometimes they're good, and sometimes they're not all that good. When you're moving your project, your pride and joy, your race car, or you're just picking up a friend who's broken down on the side of the road, you need to know you can move with confidence using a compliant trailer that's up to code, well spec'd, well featured. And that brings me to this thing, the undisputed king of hire car trailers here in Australia. This is the mighty U-Haul 3.5 tonne heavy duty car trailer. These trailers are available across a wide variety of locations and states here in Australia. There are up to 18 tie-down points across the trailer. There's a torsion bar axle system to smooth out the bumps, capable of carrying a huge payload of 2.4 tonnes. U-Haul's very own heavy-duty rims and specific load-rated tyres to match, engineered to carry heavier weights thanks to super strong 4mm steel construction and a 3mm bed, and 3.5 tonne heavy-duty loading ramps. Okay, this is the piece de resistance at the front because U-Haul has knocked this one out of the park. Let me start with the Jockey Wheel. It's a heavy duty unit. Very easy to use. It has the slide in, slide out locking mechanism so you can tilt it back down and take off no problems at all. The heavy duty mechanical winch, you can see it's really loaded up onto the chassis. And the gearing on this one is just right. Some of them are really hard to use. This one's super easy to bring vehicles on and off the trailer. We also have 12 volt and 24 volt power options, so the flexibility's there. The chains up the front, super heavy duty, very easy to put on, and they can be adjustable. Now when it comes to the actual ball latch, this is really cool. It's got a locking latch on it, so once you've got it on, all you have to do is activate it by pulling it down, and it locks on nice and tight. It won't be coming off anytime soon, and you simply lift the trigger to release that one as well. But this is what you're all looking at. This thing here, how does it work? What's going on? This is a hydraulic brake unit and it's actually on a sliding system. So this whole system that's connected to the tow bar slides inside and pushes the pressure back to the 4-wheel disc brakes. Not 2, this thing's got 4-wheel disc brakes. You've got the latch you can turn over if you're going to reverse it. You can cancel it out, no problems at all. But what I really like about this, for real peace of mind, is your breakaway strap. You put your breakaway strap on the car, not on a D-shackle, and if you become disconnected for whatever reason, this actually activates the braking unit, pulls it on, and brings those brakes into play and slows down your pride and joy that's strapped on the back. This really is a heavy-duty setup. It certainly gives you peace of mind. What I like about these trailers are they're just so easy to use. The 3.5 tonne heavy duty trailer from U-Haul made moving the car we've just bought an absolute dream. Total peace of mind. So do yourself a favour, go online, check out their site. It's really easy to find one close by you, book it, pick it up. It's totally hassle free. If you're anything like me, you use them quite a bit. So for peace of mind, look to U-Haul. The 3.5 tonne, it'll sort you out straight away.